Welcome to the city of Philadelphia. Today we are going to learn how to properly wash our hands. We know that dirty hands can really make people sick, especially when preparing food for others to eat. We know that wearing gloves does not replace hand washing, so let's get started. Use only sinks assigned for hand washing. Wet your hands with clean, warm running water. Then apply soap. Lather your hands or arms, even up to your elbows. Be sure to scrub the back of your hands, between your fingers, and under your fingernails. Scrub for at least 20 seconds. Singing happy birthday twice will help you keep track of the time. Rinse your hands thoroughly with warm running water. Then dry your hands using a paper towel. Use that same paper towel to turn off the water. Then dispose of the paper towel in the trash can. So remember, washing your hands properly can prevent the spreading of germs from one person to another in food establishments. Thank you.